Steph, welcome to Mansion Inglés. How long have
5 years now.
And where did you live before?
We lived right in the centre of London.
And can you tell us what differences there are between Spanish cooking and English cooking?
Well, personally for me, I find Spanish cooking is much healthier. Their ingredients are much better. They have more flavour and they use a lot of olive oil, so this is very healthy.
I see. And do you think that your cooking has become more Spanish since you moved here?
Yes, because obviously you're used to the ingredients that are available in the supermarkets and also the markets. And it's fresh and has a lot of flavour.
What's your favourite Spanish dish, Steph?
Or I would say paella, because that is very healthy. And I would say paella, because that is very healthy. And I also love the tortilla.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out in restaurants?
Well, I love cooking, but I must be honest and say that when you eat out in restaurants, there's obviously not much work there.
So, no washing up, Stephanie?
Exactly.
Okay. And would you like to open your own restaurant one day?
I think now I'm too old, but it would have been very nice perhaps many years ago.